Variables and data types. How does Emma eat sweets? You must put juice in a cup and pancake on a plate to eat.
That's right. I love sweets.
Actually, even in a program, the vessel is important. We handle data in a container too. This data container is called a variable.
We will put our data in a variable like sweets too.
There are so many different types of sweets to put on your plate. There are many different types of data that you can put into a variable like this. This is called a data type.
Now that I've heard about the sweets, I'm getting hungry.
How to use variables. When writing code, data can be used by putting it in a container called variable. Variables that contain data can be used instead of that data. Now, let's put the value in the variable and display it. Create, save, and run the following program.
The content of the variable is displayed. What does a variable mean?
Variables are ambiguous, the number that can be changed.
What's the advantage of being able to change the contents of a variable?
The same program can change the results by simply changing the contents of the variables. In other words, you can just change the content of the variables and get results accordingly.
That's convenient. We can reuse the same program just by changing the contents of the variable.
That's right. Now let's calculate using variables. Create, save, and run this program.
The calculation result is displayed.
Next, let's change the value in variables using the same program. Create, save, and run this program.
The calculation result is displayed according to the value contained in the variable.
Data type. There are so many different types of sweets to put on your plate. There are many different types of data that you can put into a variable like this. This is called a data type. There are several types, such as integer for integers, floating point for decimals, string for characters, and Boolean for true or false. Many programming languages require you to pay attention to these data types in your programs, but Python allows you to work with them without paying attention to them. Any data type can be put into a variable in the same way. Let's create variables with various data types. Create, save, and run this program.
The various data types are displayed. We were able to put various kinds of data into variables. But if Python doesn't need us to pay attention to data types, don't we need to know about them?
Let's keep in mind that there are many different types of data. That's because different kinds of data can't be processed in the same way.
It's a pain to learn about so many data types.
So can you add cold juice to the hot cup of coffee? Wouldn't it be better to have the same kind of drink in a cup?
As Liam says, it's better to handle the same types at the same time. In this lesson, we learned about variables and data types.
Well done!